Hello from Tajmotormedics. Mamma mia, I've got an Alfa Romeo MiTo doing a daytime running lamp as well as a position lamp on this side. I will show you first which one it is. Now that you see, this one here is daytime running lamp as well as that one there. We're gonna show you the position lamp now. Now as you see there, this is a position lamp working and this one not working. The process is very simple. Like pasta, like pizza. I'll show you. I mean, so this is the one we are changing. The bulb we need is a 580 bulb. It's a double filament bulb. Right there, this is what we're replacing. It's not a difficult job at all. This is the cover you remove first. The bulb is the top one right here. This is what we need to pull. Sometimes they're very tight, sometimes they're very soft. This one is very soft today because it come out easy. Look, you see, take the bulb out. Now this one is a wrong bulb. You can see it's a 582 bulb. You need a 580 bulb. I fit the bulb and then put it through the hole, and your pasta will be ready in 1 minute. And maybe enough with the jokes, okay? Now this is what we've done. Now you can see that one there is working and the position lamp is working. You can see both of them there. That's all it was. Make sure you put the cover back on. And sorry if I've offended you with my accent. I know I'm not good, but I thought it'd be funny if I added a bit of an Italian accent to it. I've been watching a lot of the Korean stuff, so you know there's a program I'm watching at the moment. It's about an Italian gangster, so I thought I'd be a gangster in it, but I'm not really. But basically, it's an Alfa Romeo MiTo on a 2012 plate, changing the position lamp on the right side. Somebody obviously fitted the wrong bulb in, which is a 582 bulb. You needed a 580 bulb, which is a double filament bulb that works as well as for the parking light, daytime running lamp, position lamp, side light bulb, whatever you name it. Now to check, see if your one's working, always remember, when you start your car up, I'm not going to start her up because it's going to get too loud. Now if you see, the lights are off at the moment, but the daytime running lamps are on. As soon as I switch the lights on, now you can tell that one there is working, the top one, and then that one there is working as well. If you turn around, look onto the wall. Now if you look on the passenger side front, the beam image on the passenger side front, which is that one there, is quite dim, but this one is pretty good. So what I'm going to do another video on this. Switch the lights off. I'm going to do another video on this with regards to the bulb. It may possibly be just a bulb, it's gone weak, so I'm going to replace it, see how it goes, and then go from there. And if you did like this video, don't forget to share it, like it where possible, and there's a special thanks button. Click on that as well for me. Thank you very much. Mamma mia, pasta ready. So goodbye.